Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off quick capture on your GoPro. Now we have two options, so let's go and do that. I will show you the both of them. So what you need to do. Okay, the easiest one and the fastest one is on camera screen. So open up your camera, then swipe down right so, and it will open up some menu. Now locate the rabbit icon. This is the quick capture toggle. Tap it so it turns gray or blue, so like that. Now it's quick capture is now on because it's blue. If I tap again, it will be off, like so. Now the second option is in the GoPro Quick app. So connect your GoPro to the Quick app, and now let's go here to the you go to this section where you see GoPro icon. This is basically the menu for your GoPro. Now go ahead to the gear icon right here at the right side, settings for your camera, and right here uh, find quick capture in the list and toggle it off or on. So as you can see here, quick caption. Now I can turn on or off like so. So this is great for preventing accidental recordings in your bag that drain the battery. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.